All right, so here's the heater. It's all finished up. It's in the case. Got the dust cap on the top. Fuel fitting here. Fuel fitting onto the tank. Quick connects on. Nice and solid connection. Connection off that. Obviously the tank is going to go in my fuel carrier, which is going to be suspended above the tire, so it'll be above the ground where the heater will lay on the ground, and it'll gravity feed pressure into the heater. Exhaust system's finished. Air intake's on the bottom. Exhaust goes through the top. Of course, when this is in use, the whole system will lay down flat, just like so. Turn this around. All the hoses designed to stow inside the case. Sorry for the shaky camera. All right, so we got all the hoses in here. So that's the main hose going up to the truck. This is the T-hose that I've made. This hose will vent into a case that I'm going to make for the fuel carrier so that the water that's stored will stay warm and not thaw. You can see how I've got everything set up in there. I'm using a 5-pin electrical on the outside for the power. So I got to make the wire for that yet. Plugs into the truck. It'll split off. One wire will run up to the tent for the controller. One wire will go to the power to the trailer hitch power. Air intake is on the bottom here.